Horse.
Okay. Yeah, that's a horse. What's that one?
Duck.
A duck. Where's the duck?
Right there.
No, that's not a duck. Very
Yeah.
good. Yep. Good job. What's next?
Cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. What says cock-a-doodle-doo?
Rooster.
Rooster. Where's the rooster go?
Cock-a-doo. Cock-a-doo.
Good job.
Oink, oink.
What is that?
Oink.
Who says oink oink? Pigs.
Pig.
Pigs.
Oink, oink, oink.
Where's the pig go? Very good. Okay. What's that?
Doggy.
Where's the doggy? Yeah. What's the doggy say?
Wop, wop.
What color is that doggy?
Owl.
Very good. Okay. What's next?
Cow. Cow.
A cow?
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, what's a cow say?
Moo, moo.
Very good. Yeah. What color is that cow?
Black.
And?
White.
Very good.
Kitty.
What's a kitty say?
Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
How many kitties do we have?
1, 2.
What are their names? What are our kitties' names?
Pink. Pink.
No, what are our kitties' names?
Homie.
Stormy and
Angel.
Angel. Very good. Okay, put the kitty where it goes. All right, last piece. What is it? What is that?
Bear.
Yeah, what says Baba? Sheep.
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 Ba, ba, ba.
Yeah. Okay, put the sheep there.
Baby one. Baby one.
Is that a baby sheep? What color is that sheep?
White.
Very good. All right, all done.
More.
Want to do another one? Okay.